car lovers, welcome back to Vehicle Ground. Today we're diving into the iconic and always fun to drive Mini Cooper. With its unmistakable design and zippy performance, the Mini Cooper has been a favorite for many years. But does it still hold up in 2025? Let's take a look. Engine specs and performance. The Mini Cooper packs a punch with its nimble 1.5-liter three-cylinder engine offering 134 horsepower. It's not the most powerful car in its class, but its lightweight and agile handling make it a blast to drive. The car accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 7 seconds, providing that peppy, responsive feel that Mini fans adore. Pairing it with a 6-speed manual or a smooth 7-speed automatic transmission, it's clear that the Mini Cooper is all about offering a fun, engaging driving experience. Plus, the front-wheel drive setup ensures excellent handling, making it ideal for tight corners and city driving. Interior and exterior design. On the outside, the Mini Cooper stays true to its roots. Its compact size and retro-inspired design give it a charming, cheeky presence on the road. The round headlights and distinctive grille make it instantly recognizable, while the high roofline and wide stance add to its quirky appeal. Inside, the Mini Cooper doesn't disappoint either. Despite its small exterior, it's surprisingly spacious for 2 passengers up front. The dashboard features a large circular display that adds to the car's playful character. Though rear seating is cramped, this car was designed for those who enjoyed the front row experience. It's all about style, and Mini nails it. Key features and technology. The Mini Cooper may be small, but it's packed with modern tech. The infotainment system features a responsive 8.8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, ensuring you stay connected on the go. There's also the Mini Connected app, which allows you to check car stats remotely. As for driving aids, you get options like a rear-view camera, parking sensors, and adaptive cruise control, making it easier to handle in busy traffic. Safety and fuel efficiency. Safety is a priority in the Mini Cooper, with a variety of standard features like forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane departure warning. It earned good marks in crash tests, but it's worth noting that its small size can make it more vulnerable in larger collisions. As for fuel efficiency, the Mini Cooper excels with an estimated 28 mpg city and 37 mpg highway, making it one of the more efficient small cars in its class. Pros and cons. Pros. Iconic design that's always a head-turner. Fun, agile performance. Great tech features, especially in higher trims. Excellent fuel efficiency. Premium feel in a small package. Cons. Limited rear passenger space. Small trunk space, great for city driving but not ideal for road trips. Price can climb quickly with higher trims and options. Cons. Pros and cons. Cons. Bonds at vexed estates. Pros. Iconic design that's always a head-turner. Fun, agile performance. Great tech features, especially in higher trims. Excellent fuel efficiency. Premium feel in a small package. Cons. Limited rear passenger space. Small trunk space, great for city driving but not ideal for road trips. Price can climb quickly with higher trims and options. For this car, the Mini Cooper is perfect for those who prioritize driving enjoyment, city dwellers who need a compact car for tight spaces, or anyone who loves quirky design. It's ideal for singles, couples, or small families who don't mind a more playful, less practical approach to their daily drive. If you're someone who loves personalization, the Mini Cooper's vast array of customization options will surely appeal to you. So, is the Mini Cooper still the fun, stylish, and quirky choice for those who want a compact car with personality? Absolutely. With its agile performance, efficient engine, and head-turning design, the Mini Cooper remains a top contender in the small car market. While it might not be the most practical for families or long trips, it's perfect for those looking to add a little fun to their daily commute. Thanks for watching Vehicle Ground. Stay tuned for more car reviews and insights. And as always, drive safe.